澳洲甲纽西兰做伙举办的女子世界杯卡球赛，今仔早起伫要开幕的前几点钟，纽西兰的奥克兰市中心发生枪杀案，造成2个人死亡，6个人受伤，一个枪手嘛已经死亡。目前是认为这应该是恐怖攻击。
穿装备的警察真紧往案发的现场刷动，迄当时过几点钟，非法女子世界杯卡球赛就要开幕。乌克兰市中心所传出枪声，造成死伤，受伤的人包括警察。警方将附近2个街区由封锁线，警车叫车赶去现场。
The shooter is also dead. There was no identified political or ideological motivation for the shooting and therefore no national security risk.
Was the gun licensed?
I'm not in a position to be. Obviously, at the moment, the regime is not for gun licensing. It is for the individual to have a license, and police will be working to confirm details about whether the individual had a gun license or not.
澳洲甲纽西兰共同主办女子世界杯卡球赛全球注意，目前已经知影甲恐怖攻击无关系。当局表示会伫这个地区增派警力，开幕战由纽西兰压阵挪威。
The tournament will go on and tonight's game will be played. There are a number of teams, as you'll be aware, who were staying in the immediate area. They are all safe and sound, and as the cordon moves in, they will go about the normal business of today for them.
20早起7点22分左右，警方协报乌克兰市中心有人开枪，枪手是男性，2过一栋建筑，佮往楼顶刷动，秘伫电梯间内。警方想要赶紧连开几枪了后，发现枪手已经死亡。大规模枪击案伫纽西兰并无常看。2019年基督城枪击案54了后，国家立法禁止半自动步枪甲突击步枪。公司新闻5为您编译。